Today opens a new page in our campaign against all forms of terrorism, kidnapping, opportunistic attacks on our people by bad faith actors who exploit our vast territories for evil purposes. The enlistment of forest guards should complement the patriotic efforts of our security forces, a game changer in this campaign. It shows very clearly that the government is committed to the mission of ridding our country of all forms of terrorism, banditry, and kidnappings. And the message is very clear. More than ever before, the terrorists now have an option of immediately leaving the state or paying a heavy price. Distinguished forest guards, you're embarking on a national assignment to protect our people from criminal elements in our forest and in the entire state. Working with gallant officers and personnel of the security forces, you are to go all out to flush out terrorists, restore sanity in our forests, and keep our communities safer than ever before.
The mandate of this particular squad is of twofold. They are basically entrusted with guarding our national heritage and charged with protecting, preserving, and sustainable management of our forest ecosystem. That is the watershed, the wildlife, and biodiversity. Secondly, they are to serve as critical force multiplier in our various national security architecture, particularly in confronting banditry, insurgents, terrorists, and other criminal activities that have more or less exploited the vast ungoverned forest spaces across the country for their heinous crimes. I think with this, we are hoping that subsequently we'll put a stop to all of these nefarious activities that have turned our forests and unmanned areas into enclaves.